Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. Today I have a Qigong exercise that is good for total body strength, especially your legs and your knees. Slow arms rotation, on the other hand, helps to gently open the shoulders, increase the blood flow and aid mobility. Stand up nice and tall, soften your knees and gently tuck your tailbone in. Relax your whole body. Take a deep inhale through the nose and raise both hands up. Bend your elbows so they can drop behind the head. Then exhale fully, bend your knees and go down. Inhale, open your arms to the side and slowly raise up. Your eyes follow the right hand. Stand up, relax the neck and shoulders and exhale fully. Inhale again, then exhale out through the mouth. This time, turn your head to follow your left hand. Exhale at the top and relax your whole body. Repeat the movement 2 to 3 times on each side. Use the strength of your legs to go down and only go to the point when it feels comfortable. Keep your lower back nice and relaxed. And as your legs get stronger, your mobility range will improve. Remember to breathe naturally without tension. From here, swing both hands out, then exhale and bring them forward, cross in front of the body. Slowly raise up again, release with exhalation and relax the whole body. Continue the movement at your own pace. Use your breath to guide you along. Inhale when you raise up, exhale fully when you relax and soften. Do 2 to 3 repetitions to begin with, and if it feels good, practice alone for 5 minutes. When you're finished, relax your hands by the side and notice how you feel. You might feel a pleasant warmth in the neck and shoulders, down the back and into the legs. Stay here and simply enjoy the sensations.